Good morning, kindergarten friends. Miss Klein here with Sonday Lesson 143. Today we are going to start by reading words. We're going to read some of the words that we read yesterday, that we learned yesterday, the app words. And then we're going to do some review with app, am, and add words. So we are getting really short A sound in the middle of our words. So we're going to go ahead and start by reading the words here. Let me click on my screen so it'll go. All right. App, cap. App, tap. Remember, these belong in the same word family, the app word family. App, map. App, zap. Now we're going to go a little bit faster. Lap, sap, wrap, nap, add. Oop, now we're switching it up. Add, lad, map, had, ram, dad, lap, sad, bad, ham, nap, cap, am, sap, cam, gap, mad, fad, wrap, pad. Now we're going to move on to spelling words. So make sure that you have your piece of paper and your writing utensil. And I'm going to first have you do some of the app words that we were talking about, and then we're going to do some more review ones. Okay, here we go. So you've got your piece of paper. I want you to spell the word lap. Now remember, we use touch spelling because it helps us break apart and really hear all the sounds. If I say lap, I know that there's three sounds. L, a, p. So now I can write those down. L, a, p. And then I've got, can you see it? Then I've got three sounds on my paper to make the word lap. Let's do nap. N, a, p. Nap. Three sounds on your paper make the word nap. Cap. K, a, p. Three sounds on your paper make the word cap. Wrap. A, p. Wrap. Good. Now, those were the app family, and I know that because they all have app at the end of it. Now I'm going to do some review words, okay? So try hat. At. I still hear three sounds. At. Hat. Now do tan. Miss Klein's been getting a good tan sitting outside this week doing her work. Tan. Lad. L-A-D. Lad. L-A-D. Last word I want you to spell, bam. B-A-M. Before I show you mine, I want you to make your bed and check to see if your B is the right way. Bam. B-A-M. Now check to see if you spelled it right. B-A-M. Did you get your B the right way? Good. Alrighty, my friends, that's all I have for you for Sonday today. It's nice and short and sweet. Oh, wait. Better show you the worksheet, silly Miss Klein. Your worksheet is easy peasy. You're going to match the uppercase and the lowercase letters. So draw a line from uppercase C to lowercase c, uppercase J to lowercase j. Okay? Easy enough. Easy Sonday lesson. I hope you have a great day. Bye.